Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how to trade IPOs in the stock market. Now in the previous video I've shown to you guys what are IPOs and how can you make profits out of them. So in this video how to trade IPOs properly and make higher returns, not higher returns after some period of times. Now IPOs are initial public offerings, or when a company gets listed on the stock market, or a company is open to public, where the public can uh, trade in that company and be shareholders in that company. So that is those are known as the IPOs. Now how would you trade an IPO? Now in the beginning, when a company gets listed on the stock market or the stock exchange, what you do is you'll have to recognize what company is that. First of thing is that that company, what is that company related to, which field is it related, what is the sector, is it automobile sector, is it oil and gas exploration sector, is it banking sector, is it investment firms, investment sector, or is it textile sector, textile categories, something things like that, or is power and generation sector. So you'll have to recognize company the company you'll have to recognize the company with which sector is it related to. Now if it's related to, you've recognized that, then after that go through the company's financial reports, how well the company is performing, how well have it performed in the past, how is it performing now, why and the most important question you should ask from yourself is, why has the company got listed on the stock market? Is it to now in the previous video I've also told you that a company might get listed on the stock market to repay its loan. Now in that situation you may not invest in that stock, because sometimes the company goes bankrupt, it's failed to repay its loan and the company goes bankrupt. So in that situation I would suggest you guys to not invest in those type of stocks. Now you have took a look at all of those things. Now the other thing is, maybe the fourth thing is to take a look, always always count the investors sentiment, how the investors feel about that company, what are their assumptions about the company, what do they say about the company, that if the company would grow in value, or it will devalue. So always consider these things, because these are the most important things in the stock market to consider. The stock market is there are many stocks in the stock markets. Now if you want to trade a certain stocks, or before trading an IPO, always consider the options, consider the points that I've told you early in this video. So do consider those, and to further trade an IPO, if you want to, let's say you have come through an IPO. Now take a you've done all of that stuff, take a look at it, observe that company. Now to invest in that company to make profits or higher returns, you must be patient about it, because an IPO takes time to grow, a stock takes time to grow. So you'll have to wait for it to grow, and a time will come that your money will make further money. So you will have to wait until that time. It might take a year, 2, 3, maybe 5, or 5 to 10. It can take longer period of time. So you'll have to wait for it to give you some positive returns, or maybe higher returns. So you'll have to wait until that to give you some returns. Now an IPO can grow instantly, that is overnight. That can sometimes happen. It might grow, but it also falls down quickly. So always consider options that are true. Sometimes those can be fake news arises about a company as well. Fake news can spread very quickly. So do not always consider fake news. Always consider those news that are real about a certain company, that are pure, that are real, and those that are genuine, that which you know that if this thing happens it will give you a return. So always consider those type of news about a certain IPO. IPOs are good for your first investment, or if you want to make more money out of the stock market, it is good in those cases. Now let's say you have invested in the stock market and you also want to make higher returns by waiting for some time, and you also have some money kept aside. So invest that money into an IPO, and wait for the IPO to grow in value. once it grows, it will that money will make you money. At first you make money yourself, and later on that money will make money for you. So you'll have to wait for it to give you some returns. And once it starts your returns, then you will see how profitable it was. Now IPOs are now to consider, you will have to consider all of those things that I've mentioned earlier in the video. to to trade an IPO, you must take a look at the IPO, what the IPO is related to, how well the company has performed in its early days, how satisfied are the investors from that company or that group or anything that is. So you'll have to consider all of those things before investing into that company. Now IPO was related to somewhere at this section. Now where is it? I guess, yeah, right here, IPO, initial public offering. There is a separate site for it, IPO. Now these are all traded, this one is separate. So we'll have to take a look, consider these as this before further investment. Now if you want to take a look at it, now where is it? I also do not know where is it located. So it might be located somewhere here, so I don't know. I'm not going to bother it. I'm going to continue my video. Now to trade an IPO, you must have a profound knowledge about it. This overall, this does not require technical analysis, because the company has not been traded previously. It will be traded after it got listed on the stock exchange. So you do not require any technical analysis for this purpose. But instead what you will do is you will have to keep an eye out on fundamental analysis, how well the company is performing, the news that will arise about the company. So you'll have to consider those news before trading an IPO. Now to trade an IPO, you must have a keen knowledge of how the company will perform in the future, how well it performed up till now, and how well it will perform in the future. So these are all of the things you should consider before investing in an IPO or trading in an IPO. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.